Assalamualaikum. Good morning, and I am back with another exciting lesson for you, a colorful lesson which you enjoy every time. So yes, this is our arts class, and we welcomed spring class time, but I thought of like saying goodbye to autumn and winters as well, right? So I thought of doing that. So I decided to make a tree of fall season, right? So for that, I bought this brown color, yes, for the tree trunk. And then I have yellow color because that's the color of fall. And I have this red color. So we can even make an orange color with that as well, right? And then what have I done? I did I put the cotton balls in a peg so your hands don't get dirty. So try to make it like that. Make it a cotton ball, take a cotton ball and just take the peg like a small one, which you can hold even, so your hand does not get dirty, right? So I have made it this way, like this. Got it? And then I have a plate and then the sticks to take out the paint, right? So first of all, we are going to take out yellow color, right? So I'm going to take out yellow color from here. I think this one, that's enough, I think. Right? Okay, so I take the yellow paint. Okay, now I am going to take out the red paint, right? So now I'm going to take out red paint. Okay, this much is enough because we'll be needing a little of red and yellow for making orange as well, right? We're going to make another color. And then we will take a little of brown color, right? Okay. So here we are. We have the red color, the yellow, and the brown one. And what we're going to do is we'll just put a little of red over here in the middle. Yes, here. And I'm going to mix it with the yellow, a little of yellow, right? Just let's see. Okay, so I'm just mixing them, both of them. Okay, and I am going to make a different color here. Yeah, I'm trying to make a different color. Let's see. Yes, I made an orange color over here, right? That's great. That is lovely. So now I have 4 colors. I have brown, I have red, I have yellow, and then I have made orange by mixing red and yellow, right? That is lovely. Now I will be needing my whiteboard and I will be needing a brush, right? This is my whiteboard and I'll be needing a brush to make the tree trunk, right? First of all, we are going to make a tree trunk with the help of brown color, right? We'll take brown color and we are going to make the trunk of the tree, right? That's very easy. You can make thick trunk, you can make thin trunk, you can make many branches, you can make less branches, whatever you want, right? So we are going to make a tree trunk over here. We're going to paint it brown, right? Okay, see, this is a tree trunk. I want to make it a little thick so you all will be able to see this, right? Okay, this is the tree trunk I'm making for you. Good. Okay. See, we have made a tree trunk and now we are going to make some branches, right? We're going to make some branches. Branches are thick from here and then they become thin. Yes, like this. We're going to make branches of a tree, right? Like this, and like this, and like this, okay? Right? I hope they look good. Yeah, okay? So this is the way we have made the branches with the help of the brown color. Okay? That's good. Okay. Yeah. Now this is our tree and it has no leaves, right? But we are going to make a tree of autumn season, which will have which will have leaves, but of very different color, right? Now let's see what kind of colors of trees we are going to get, right? Now let's see, first of all, we are going to put, what do you think? I think we should go for red first. Okay. So I put a red color. See, my hands are far away from the paint, so my hands will not get dirty today, right? But before that, what am I going to do is I'm going to put it just in front of a heater so that gets dry. Till the time you are going to make all these, right? We'll just put it in a little water, so make it a little wet, and this give us good painting. Okay, here, the yellow one. Yes, and the third one, we need of orange. Yes, we'll be needing orange. See, orange. Sorry, this is orange. So we have red color, we have yellow color, and we have orange color. So I hope this got dried. Yes, oh yeah, good. Okay, so we are going to make, we will just pat it. We're not going to make leaves like that. We'll just pat it around, right? That gives us a look of leaves, right? Okay, like this. This gives us maybe leaves, small leaves, right? Everywhere. Yeah, like this, like this. So by using this peg, your hands get clean. You don't make them dirty, right? So these are the small leaves we have made of red color, right? Yay, okay, right. Now we will be using orange color, right? We'll be using orange. Here, here, here. Now we will fill this up, right? Because the leaves haven't yet fall down, so we can fill it up. We have lots of leaves which haven't fell down yet. Yay. Isn't easy? Yeah, this looks easy, and it is actually. It's very easy. You are going to enjoy this activity with your siblings and with your parents when you'll do it at home, right? Okay, very well done, good, 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 okay. So we have filled it with red color and orange color. So I think we need to put in a little bright color, which looks like, okay, now we are going to put a little yellow. Yay, this will add in brightness. Oh, I love yellow color. That's my favorite. Red, yellow, orange, all of them my favorite. Oh, wow, this looks nice. Isn't this? Yeah, but it looks nice. In autumn, we see all of these colors, the reds and browns and yellows and a little orangish and browns that look so pretty. Every color has its own beauty. Now that's up to you. Which color do you like most? Hey, that's an autumn tree with a lot of colors in it. Wow, this looks good. Yeah, it's got a lot of colors. See, autumn even have a lot of colors. The brown and the red and the orange and the yellow one. Yeah, they have got wonderful colors. Okay, that's lovely. This looks amazing, isn't that? Yeah, that is lovely. Amazing. Good, 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 good. See, now we are going to say goodbye to autumn because we are waiting for the spring to come, and we are going to do amazing activities in the winters because we'll have all the colors and all the beauty of those colors. We are going to do it in an arts class. So say goodbye to the autumn season. That's a beautiful season. We love you all. We love you even because you're very colorful and you are important for all of us, right? So this is our autumn tree. And yes, maybe we can just make some of the trees over here so they fall on the ground, right? Yes, we should. Some of the trees have started falling. Oh my God. In the moment we made a tree, they start falling. Yes. Okay. So this is the beautiful autumn. Yeah, it's great. There are leaves on the ground. They're falling and they're still falling down, falling down. The leaves are falling in autumn, right? So make this a beautiful painting with the help of a brush and the cotton, right? And present it to your grandma or your grandpa, right? And say it, put your signatures, put your initials and say with lots and lots of love, right? And they are going to be very, very happy. Yes. Okay. So this was our arts class and I hope you have enjoyed it as you're enjoying all the classes, right? So I'll say goodbye to you from this class and we'll see each other in the next class, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, be happy, be grateful for every single thing you have. Goodbye. I'll see you soon.